Hi everybody!
Whemenoc Alarms here.
And today,
We're recording
a package!
an unboxing video.
Oh.
Oh. Here we go. So what could possibly be in this box?
Well,
Let's find
you
out.
know and I know.
Yeah, but they don't know.
It's a surprise for all of us. It's
Oh,
like
wait.
a mystery box from eBay.
Yeah. It could be.
I should do that.
Oh wait. Well,
I'm gonna remove that.
So, well, there's a box, and, there's two boxes. So, what is in these boxes? Is it, what do you guys think it is?
Comment down below.
Yeah. Wow, these are nice and small. Alright, so supposedly these are some very, very rare vintage MCCO ES52s, Siren horns. And they're from 1977, and I'm going to be the first YouTuber to actually introduce these to YouTube. So, yeah, and I'm very lucky to have found this because I'm pretty sure no one has these. And it doesn't even show up. It doesn't even show up on the internet. So the fact that I have these brand new condition, wow! I am the luckiest. I'm so lucky. I can't even explain how lucky I am. Here's the other one. Wow! Look at that. So nice. And the seller who sold it to me, they don't even know what it sounds like, and I don't know what it sounds like. My guess is fast warble or warble.
I think it's gonna be high pitch.
Yeah, probably. But either way, something like that. And so yeah, I'm psyched. I'm really, really happy to have these. And dang, these are heavy compared to this guy. This thing is light as heck.
Yeah.
Now,
it's like feels like nothing.
These, look, pick it up. These are
You could bench lift this. 1, 2, 3.
Very heavy. And this is also 12 volts, 12 VDC, 0.9 amps. And so, yeah. So I'm
even on the box they wrote, Sirens rule.
Yeah, speaking of that, yeah. Yeah, so they ended up writing Sirens rule on the box. Whoever this is doesn't have the best handwriting, but yeah.
And we covered our edges, so no stalkers.
Yeah, see? It's covered.
And just for protection.
And now...
Yeah, I don't know what happened either. Oh wait, there's more boxes. I wonder what this would do for on a head. Wait, are you recording me? Yeah, oh wait, no, there you go. I broke a box with my head. No, that's epic. I tried to put mine on my head. What's in that box? Ready? This is my new face, okay? Hashtag new face. That'd be so funny. Do an entire video with a box in your head.
Anyways, so that about wraps it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed.
Wraps it up.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, rate, share, and leave comments. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye! Okay, disclaimer, I don't even know if Dom's gonna use this, but I know that my camera rig is bad halfway through the video. It is really shaky, and some of it, my hand's in it, and yeah, I know he can fix it. But just a disclaimer: I know I'm a terrible camera person, but I'm great personality. So comment more, Sam. But no, seriously, don't comment that. I already know, and it will just make me feel bad. Thanks, guys. Okay, bye.